Living life for God gives you both freedom and power. When talking about your business, say, it is God's office, business, practice, and so on.
If you're talking about your customers, say, they're God as customers, clients, patients, and so on. When you turn your life and everything in it over to God,
you grant Him the opportunity and authority to bless it and, in His way and His time, take care of it. So, when things are not going as quickly or smoothly as you would like,
turn it all over to God. Better yet, turn it over to God from the beginning. When you take ownership over things, you take control away from God and do not allow His perfect will
and plan to unfold in your life. You stop the blessings. So call your spouse God's spouse, call your money God money, call your children God's children. Call your work
God's work, call your body God's body, and call your life God's life. When you turn everything over to Him, the right things will happen in God's timing and according to His
plan rather than yours. When everything becomes God's, you ultimately have your best chance to defeat any enemy and accomplish any task.
As you work with Him instead of against Him, His desires become your desires and life becomes much sweeter in the process.
Gives your life to God today, and watch with amazement what becomes of it.